In this video, I'll show the changes for Overgrowth Alpha 161, which you can try if you've pre-ordered. This week I worked on a number of small features instead of one big one. Alex Austin from Cryptic Sea and I had a race to see who could implement screen space ambient occlusion the fastest. I got the basic effect working first, but I mostly give credit to the live update features in Overgrowth. They make that kind of work a lot easier. Screen space ambient occlusion is an effect popularized by the game Crisis, which used the screen's depth buffer to find and darken concave areas. This helps clarify spatial relationships between different objects, and makes the scene look more cohesive. Since it's just a shader applied in post-processing, it works with fully dynamic scenes, and updates instantly as the level changes. This could make it useful for level editing, to quickly preview how it might look once lighting is baked into light maps. However, like the cascaded shadows, this is a very expensive effect that could cause compatibility and frame rate problems, so the actual game will probably use the baked ambient occlusion by default. Some of the intermediate stages of creating the shader actually looked pretty interesting on their own, like this glowing outline effect. Another new feature is random head looking. When AI-controlled characters are idle or patrolling, they just look around randomly. This is a pretty simple feature, but I think it makes them look a lot more alive and aware of what's going on. I also hooked up the sound priority system, so that scripts can specify which sounds get dropped if there are more sound sources than there are sound channels. For example, the sound of each blood drop hitting the ground is very low priority, but the sound of a kick hitting the player is very high priority. This priority system ensures that the important sounds will always play, even if there are lots of footsteps and other low priority noises in the background. That's it for this week. If you'd like to pre-order and try the alpha for yourself, you can do that at wolfire.com/preorder. If you'd like to hear about development news as soon as it happens, you can follow me on Twitter @wolfire.